Hello guys, right now we are about 45 minutes south of Khon Kaen city. We are installing a 5 kilowatt system on a house here. Beautiful location, look at that view. It's perfect Isan living, if you ask me. Peace and quiet, and you know, Isan these days is not like it was 10-20 years ago. Everything is modern, the roads are really good, and internet is good, and so you can have very peaceful, nice living here. And if you work online, you can even do it before you are retired. But of course, most people that move up here, of Phalanx, they are retired. So right now we are putting the panels up, kind of a standard installation for us. The only thing we have to be careful with here is of course moving the panels up, because it's a little bit high. So we have the scaffolding that we work with there. So actually 6 people is necessary for this job. 2 on the bottom, 2 in the middle, and 2 on top. So it is a bit need a lot of people when you put the panels on top to make it safe. So this is an on-grid system, meaning that it will not give power when there is a power outage. It will shut down when there is a power outage. The purpose of having a system like this is to have reduction in the bill from the PA. You save money. That's the purpose of this. Of course, you can also have power when the power goes down, power cuts. That is what we call hybrid systems with batteries. But this is not that. This is what we call on-grid, and it works seamlessly together with the grid. So when you have little power from the solar system in the morning, it will mix the power that is coming from the grid together with the power from the solar to make sure that you can have power for all the appliances that you want to open. So there's no limitations on a system like this in terms of what appliances you can open and things like that. Absolutely not. So in the middle of the day, if you open an appliance, actually most of the power will come from the solar system. And then in the afternoon again, you will have less power from the solar system and more from the grid. So that's how that works. Okay, take a few seconds to enjoy the view, guys. See you next time.